is Space Jam. Hi, this is Charles. I'm currently on the road to McDonald's drive-thru. One thing, putting mask on is mandatory, so I have to put the mask on now. Ta-da! Mask on. Mask on, ready to order. I'm on drive-thru now. Porridge with fruit tea. Okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. So for me, I got the fruit tea, and this one, the inside is I order porridge, and of course I got the toy. This today is Roadrunner. So now I'm just reached home and I'm gonna unbox the toy. I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast now. I'm back in McDonald's again. I'm gonna get another Happy Meal toy. Satu hot cake. Thank you. Drive-thru takeaway. Gonna have it at home. Okay, I'm home now. Let's check what I have got. I've got the toy, and I got the hot cake. So I'm gonna try the food now. I got the orange juice. Then got the whole cake. I'm now on my way to McDonald's Gadong to pick up my order. I've already called them, so I'm just going there to pick up my orders. And this one. my stuff. Okay, let's go home. I just got my McDonald's Happy Meals and I got 2 toys today. First, we have Sylvester the cat. Yes, Bugs Bunny. Yes, 3. So I got my Happy Meals. Let's look at the box. Corn cup. In Brunei actually we short of chicken nugget. That's why we have fish nugget even though it says chicken nugget. Fish. Cold Milo is a chocolate. So gonna go for the next toy. Hi, it's another Thursday. I'm on my way to McDonald's again. I'm back. Let's unbox the new Happy Meals toy. So that's all for my video on McDonald's Happy Meal toys on Space Jam. Bye!